Welcome students to our video podcast. This is for Unit 6, Week 4, Day 2. This is our second to the last Tuesday, guys. The year has just flown by. Wow! Alright, you ready to start? Here we go. First word, the word is shortage. 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 Write the word. Let's define it now. Shortage. Shortage means that there is not much of something. There is not much of something. Shortage. Pause the video, write the definition. Alright, time for our example. Our example is, there is a shortage of oranges because of the hurricane. Pause the video, write your example. Time for our question sentence. Why do you think a shortage happens? Remember, guys, complete sentence, rewrite your question and make it a statement, include context clues, all that kind of good stuff. Alright, rock on.
Alright, next word is founding. Founding. Say the word, write the word. Alright, let's define founding. The founding is the beginning or creation of an organization or place. The founding. Define it, write it, say it. Well, just write it. Okay, pause it. All right, your example is, the mayor gave a speech at the founding of a new hospital. Hey, this year we're getting a new veterans hospital here in Ivan. Sweet. Say it, write it. Why do I keep telling him to say it? All right, don't say it, I don't. And your question is, ooh, this one's a tricky one. When was the founding of your school? Do you know what year it was? Did you have any brothers or sisters that came to this school at the very first year that we were here? Okay, make sure you rewrite the sentence into, or the question into the sentence. Go ahead and pause the video and write it. All right, next word is traditional. Traditional. Write it. Don't forget to say it. The definition is, traditional means that something is typical of a culture or family. This lesson right here is not a traditional way of doing what we're doing. So this is an example of what is not traditional. But go ahead and define that. Stop the video. All right, example. The Greek dancers wore traditional costumes. If you want, you could put the Paiute dancers wore traditional costumes. That would even be better. Take your pick. All right, pause it and write it. And your question is, tell about a holiday or custom in your family that is traditional. Give us some good stuff on this. Good traditions in your family for a holiday or some kind of an activity or something that your family does. All right? Make sure to rewrite the question into the sentence, your answer, and pause and write. All right. Our last word of the second to the last word squares in Unit 6, Week 4 is reflected. Reflected. Go ahead, write it. Say it. The definition for reflected is, reflected can refer to light rays or sounds that hit a surface and bounce back. Reflections. Reflected. Reflected light. All right, I love it. Pause it. Right. All right, example, the mirror reflected light. Pause the video, write your example. And here is the second to the last question of the year. Where do you see something that has been reflected? Don't put mirror, because that was in your example. Come up with something else. Come up with something that nobody else has. Think out of the box. Think outside the mirror. Pause it, write it. Don't forget to write your answer into your question into your answer. All right, that is the second to the last time that we are going to see you on these word squares. So write, get it done. We'll see you Wednesday. Okay, see ya. Bye. Bye.